Hi, this is Mona. This is my 12th day where I'm practice of speaking in English. I know I'm not fluencer, but I want to become a fluencer. That's why I'm practicing every day and I'm sharing with you. And here I'm doing so many mistakes, but at the end of the video, I will rectify my all mistake because according to me, mistake is important. But if you are trying to rectifying your mistake, then and it is the part of learning. So yeah, that's why I'm here to improving my communication skill. If you are beginner, if you are intermediate, if you want to become a fluencer, so English is very necessary, and English speaking it's very crucial part of. Even in English is everywhere. How and why I'm learning English? It's my dream, it is my childhood dream. That's why I'm working on this. Even in my background, nobody can learning English and nobody can educated. I don't know exact, but right now, yes, in my family background, nobody can educated. But I'm trying to enhancing my skill. If I got chance, then obviously I will try to enhancing my skill. I know you are doing so many decent comments of me. Why you are not like enhancing? Why you are not working? Why you are doing so many mistake in here? And then you don't know about English and why you are teaching of me? So this kind of comment is not decrease and reduce my confidence. Yes, I know what I'm speaking in here. I done my schooling in Punjabi medium school because I belong from Punjab. And yeah, then after schooling, and I was realizing it's very important language. If you are not learning this language, you are nothing to called educated person. So after my schooling, I start to learning this language. But even sometime I was feel like laziness. Most of the time it's like this habit is occurring in everywhere, every students and every people. If you are learning something new, then obviously you will stuck. You will feel like you are taking first step, but on second step you are like feel sometime like laziness. So that kind of problem is occurring in everywhere. It like happened with me similar. I made this channel, and then from their side I enhancing a lot. And even from after 2 to 3 days I start to speaking, and I don't know what I'm speaking in here, and I start to speaking. And then this is the 12th day, but yeah, I enhancing a lot. And yeah, I want to become a fluencer, but let's see when I will fulfill my dream. But yeah, this video is useful for me because I'm speaking in here, and I'm speaking what is happening in my mind, and that's all I'm sharing with you. If you are improving your communication skill, so for communication skill it's very important to speak, and making consistency and speaking at least at least you give 10 minutes to every day. If nobody can speaking with you, then you speak in front of the mirror. Then obviously from that side you are enhancing a lot. Na, consistency and hard work and also using smart work is the key of success. I have proper facility, then I will try to doing this thing. Nothing, I'm not wait of any right to situation, right to part. Then I have a time, I'm doing. I'm not waiting to any kind of things. And then that is true or wrong, I don't know what. I'm doing so many mistake, but forget my mistake because it's just my learning video. And this is the end of the video. If you like this video, then like, share, subscribe our video, and then that's all. So bye.